If the check engine light appears on your Jeep Wrangler, it means the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected a problem somewhere in the engine, emission system, or related components. Your Jeep constantly monitors sensors that track how the engine is running, and when something falls outside the normal range, the computer triggers the warning light. Sometimes the issue can be minor, such as a loose gas cap, while other times it may involve sensors or engine performance problems. It's also important to notice whether the light is steady or flashing. A flashing light usually signals a serious issue like an engine misfire and should be checked immediately. Before resetting the light, it's always best to identify the actual cause so the problem doesn't return. Step 1. Check that the gas cap is tight and properly secured. Step 2. Use an OBD2 scanner to read the diagnostic trouble codes. Step 3. Fix the issue indicated by the code, such as a faulty sensor or airflow problem. Step 4. Use the scanner's clear codes option to reset the check engine light. Step 5. Alternatively, disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 15 to 30 minutes. Step 6. Drive the vehicle normally for a few cycles to see if the light clears automatically.